Good morning, students. Today again we are in online classes, and I am Rk Himanshu present before you. So, dear student, today is the class of class 8 biology subject, and dear student, in previous classes you have read about the chapter number 2, and the name of the chapter you know very well, the microorganism friend and foe. Friend and foe. So, dear students, there were many topics in the previous classes that what are the microorganisms and what are their locations. But today the topics are different from the previous classes. In previous classes, we have also read about the useful activity of the bacteria. So, on the basis of useful activity, the bacteria are known as the yeah, our friends. But in case of the pathogenic bacteria which causes the disease in us, so on the basis of that they can be said as the microorganism as the foe. So first of all I would like to add the previous classes the topics that microorganisms are used in the agriculture. In agriculture में क्या होता है? In agriculture the bacteria in agriculture, previous classes in agriculture culture. So dear student, there are some bacteria which are also known as the BGA, means blue green algae. So blue green algae that has capacity to trap the atmospheric nitrogen and convert them into the nitrate, and they are useful for the soil as well as for the plants. The some plants of the leguminous plant like the gram chana का जो होता है, it has the some bacteria in its nodule that is called the rhizobium. उसका नाम rhizobium होता है, rhizobium. These rhizobium bacteria are present into the root nodules of the some leguminous plant. They fixes the atmospheric nitrogen. So today the topic is the organism in the agriculture. So rhizobium bacteria, cyanobacteria, blue green algae, these are used in the agriculture to enhance the productivity and fertility of the soil by making the nitrogen into nitrate. So dear students, the one topic is the today energy and the fuel production. So microorganisms are also used in the energy production and the fuel production. The some sugars they are converted with the help of the bacteria, and methane and ethanol are formed. This is used as the fuel productions. Now dear students, one topic I forgot to tell you that previously I did not tell you. So probiotics. So probiotics क्या है? तो probiotics are dietary supplements of the bacteria and yeast, and that is, so dear student, in our body there are two type of the bacteria, some are useful and some are harmful. So the good bacteria that is useful for our body to enhance the different metabolic process in our body. So the good bacteria are also known as that lactobacillus bacteria. I have written here the lactobacillus bacteria. This lactobacillus bacteria present into the curd formation. When we eat, then it is useful for our body. So these are the probiotics. Now the microorganism as the foe. Dear students, when there are different pathogens, disease causing microorganism which always causes the disease in our body, and we suffer from different diseases, these are called the pathogens. They release the toxins. वो टॉक्सिन को रिलीज करते हैं, and after that this toxin affect our body and we become sufferer of different diseases. So on the basis of the disease, their transmission, some are communicable. So the disease which is spread from one person to infected person to healthy person is called the communicable disease. These are the malaria, cholera and dengue and the anopheles. These are the communicable diseases. So dear students, the bacteria contains the TB, cholera and tetanus. This is the causal organism, and the viruses, the disease caused by the viruses are common cold, influenza, mumps, polio, etc. The fungi ringworm, and that lead foods, protozoa malaria, amoebic dysentery, and sleeping sickness. So these are the topics which I discuss you today, and I will explain these all things in the another video, dear students. So I will explain each and everything one by one. So dear students, you have watched and listened to this video. Thank you for listening and watching this video. In the next video I will explain all these things. Have a nice day.